Not the train.
Bruh.
Breaking news. Train and car can destroy New York. It can make New York fail York.
Nick,
Yeah.
it's the runaway train. Switch the track, Nick.
Let's stop the runaway train. Meanwhile at runaway train.
I'm going to stop the runaway train.
I'm going to turn on air brakes to stop the train wheels on fire.
Okay, Bob.
I guess it's the end of turning on air brakes.
Oh no. A curve.
Breaking news. The runaway train made it to the curve. The runaway train can fall and can destroy $1.2 million in property.
Get ready, Nick, for the curve. Hit the impediment as hard as you can.
Train on 4 wheels left. I hit again.
Thanks to you guys to save the train. I'm going to take you to the train.
That train.